today's experiment, we are going to build a windmill. So let's begin. We will need a cup, 5 straws, a marble, a lid, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. But be careful. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make 5 holes in our cup using the pencil. So come on, follow me.
SCIENCE, cyan, hey, SCI.
Hot glue gun our marble into the lid of the cup, just like this.
ENCE, cyan, hey, SCIENCE.
So now we're going to seal the cup. Make sure you carefully put hot glue gun around. Then go ahead and place your cup just like that. And make sure it's fully secure. Nice job. Now, let's take 4 straws and make sure they're all in the same direction.
SCIENCE, cyan, hey, SCIENCE.
Nice job.
Cyan, hey, SCIENCE, cyan, hey, SC.
See you next time. Goodbye.